Good morning, Year 5 Green Group. It's Miss Biggs here. Here is your Friday's post-assessment of all the learning we've done so far on statistics. To help us get warmed up, please record in your book today's date and learning objective, and then do your flashback 4. Number 1, find the difference between the number of visitors on Wednesday and Friday. Find Wednesday, find Friday, and find the difference means do subtraction. Number 2, Alex has a £20 note. She buys a purse for £12 and 49 pence. How much change does she receive? Number 3, what's 320 divided by 8? Number 4, partition the number 492. So split it into hundreds, tens and ones and record the time. Pause the video here. Let's see how you did. Mark your answers. Number 1, the answer is 189 visitors. Number 2, she receives £7.51 in change. Number 3, the answer is 40. Number 4, partition number is 400 and a 90 and a 2. And the time is 9:07. It's gone past 9 o'clock and 7 more minutes past. Let's have a look at this one. Statistics post-assessment. Number 1, record your name here, and this is going to be stuck into your book, please. Number 1, the pictogram shows the number of animals on a farm. Sheep, horses, chickens, cows. And here's the number represented using stars. Each star is worth 10 animals. So think what half a star would be. How many cows are there on the farm? Pause the video, write your answer here. Let's try the next question. How many more sheep are there than horses? Find sheep, find horses. Remember, each star's worth 10. How many more sheep than horses? Pause the video and write your answer in the line. Last question about this one. How many animals are there altogether? All together means all of them. So think how you're going to work that out. Pause the video and write your answer here. Let's move on to number 2. Class 3 voted for their favourite drink. The results are shown in the pictogram. Remember to look at the chart key. Each glass represents 2 drinks. So have a think what half of a cup would represent. Here are the drinks: apple juice, orange juice, milk and water. And this represents the number of children. Here it says 7 people like water the most. Well, here's water and it's not filled in. You need to complete the pictogram using the key to help you record what 7 drinks would be. Pause the video and do it now. Let's move on to complete these sentences. The most popular drink is... Pause the video and write it down. Let's try this one. 3 more children like milk. Find milk. 3 more children like milk than... Which other drink? Pause the video and write it down. Less children like what than water? Use your chart to decide which one has less children than water. Record your answer here. Let's move our learning on. Number 3, the table and bar chart show how many children attend Breakfast Club each day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you can see we've got 2 gaps here. Then we've got information recorded again, the same information, but it's in a bar chart. I'm going to use each of these to help them complete each other. For example, Tuesday is missing here, but it's not missing here. So we can find out how many children that is and write it in. Friday's missing here, but it's not missing here, so we can go up and across and record the answer. We know Thursday on here, so we can use it to draw the bar. Pause the video and complete each of them. Let's move on to the next question. How many more children attend on Monday than on Friday? Use the table or the bar chart to help you work that out. Pause the video and record it here. How many more children? Let's move on. Alex says less than 100 people go to the Breakfast Club each week. Do you agree with Alex? Explain your answer. Think how many people go in total. That will help you to decide. Prove it with your maths underneath. Number 4. Use the information to complete the missing labels on the bar chart. Here you can see the number of children goes up in 2s, and here we can see the bars that represents. Netball is the most popular sport. Which bar would represent netball? Pause the video and write it under the correct bar. Let's move on. 3 times as many people like netball as like rugby. So which bar will be represented by rugby? It will be 3 times less, won't it? Pause the video and write it on. Twice as many people like tennis as like rugby. Look at which one was rugby, and twice, remember, means double, to find which one would be tennis. Pause the video and write tennis in the right place. Lastly, the number of people who like football is more than 10. This must be the last place available. Check that it's worth more than 10. Are you correct? Let's see how you did by showing me how confident you feel with your work on statistics. Number 1 being not very confident, and number 5 showing I'm very confident. Circle the one to show how you feel, and that's your learning finished for today. Well done, Green Group. We'll be moving on to new learning after the holiday. Enjoy your break.